Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit salad with yogurt only way. Start by selecting ripe fruits and washing them thoroughly, then pat dry and chop into uniform, bite-sized pieces. Combine plain yogurt with a little honey and a hint of lemon zest, stir until smooth, fold fruit in gently to preserve texture, chill briefly, and serve in bowls or jars for an easy, refreshing snack or light dessert to enjoy at any time. Gather your ingredients and prep in advance to save time during assembly. Wash and dry each fruit thoroughly and remove any peels, cores, or stems before chopping into uniform pieces. Prepare the yogurt base by whisking plain or Greek yogurt with a small amount of honey or maple syrup and a squeeze of lemon for brightness. Keep fruit and yogurt chilled separately until ready, then gently combine and taste for sweetness before serving. When mixing, use a light hand and fold the fruit into yogurt to keep the texture lively and avoid overworking delicate berries. Taste and tweak sweetness or acidity with a small splash of lemon or a pinch of salt if needed. Serve in bowls, mason jars, or on a platter with optional toppings like chopped nuts, seeds, or granola added at the last minute. This keeps the salad fresh and enjoyable for quick breakfasts or healthy snacks.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.